Hello everyone. So in this video we will see a question from complex number JEE Mains 2024. A very easy variety of question on complex number. See, Z is a complex number, then the number of common roots. Common roots we have to find out for these two equation. Equation number 1 and this is second equation. Now look at this second equation. This is Z cube plus का 2z square plus का 2z plus का 1 that is equal to 0. So you can say that this is a z plus 1 का whole cube that is equal to 0, like that you can say that, correct? So z plus 1 का whole cube means z equal to minus 1. So z equal to minus 1 is one of the root. So we will divide by z equal to minus 1. So that is z plus 1 is one of the factor. When we will divide by z cube plus 2z square plus 2z plus 1. So what we will get? We will get z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. Right. So finally you can say that z cube plus 2z square plus 2z plus 1 equal to z plus 1 into z square plus z plus 1 equal to 0. So this gives z equal to minus 1 and this gives z equal to omega and z equal to omega square. So these are the three roots of this equation, correct? Very simple. These are the three roots. Now let's see which one of them is going to satisfy this. When we put z equal to minus 1, so this become minus 1, this become plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1, 0 and plus 1. So this is not going to satisfy. Now coming to the omega. Omega, see, now omega की power 3 equal to 1 we can utilize. So this become omega plus 1 and this is 1985 means 10, 10 and 18, 18 and 5, 18 and 5, 23. So 21 is divisible by 3, therefore 12 omega square, that will be omega square. And 1 omega plus omega square is 0. So this is going to satisfy. And similarly, this is also going to satisfy. How? This is omega की power 100 उसकी power 2, correct? So this become omega square plus 1 and this is what? This is omega square इसकी power 2, मतलब this become omega 4. Omega 4 means again omega. So 1 plus omega square plus omega is again 0. So therefore this is also going to satisfy. The final answer is 2. So there are two common roots to this equation, correct?